Cutting people out of my life doesn't mean I hate them. It means I respect myself. Stop waiting for life to meet your expectations and start adjusting your expectations to meet life. Today, spend more time with people who bring out the best in you, not the stress in you. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Never wait for a perfect moment. Just take a moment and make it perfect. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Stress, anxiety, and depression are caused when we are living to please others. Not everyone is meant to be in your future. Some people are just passing through to teach you a lesson in life. Be proud of yourself for how hard you are trying. Have you ever watched someone you love turn into somebody you don't know? A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. All I want to do is go on road trips and travel the world. People who wonder if the glass is half empty or half full miss the point. The glass is refillable. Deep conversations with the right people are priceless. The greatest enemy we have now is fear. You have to fight through bad days to earn the best days of your life. Don't be afraid to lose someone who is not grateful to have you. The things I find most beautiful about a person are almost never physical.